Hello guys, welcome back. And today we are on part 3 of the my end-to-end tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to see that how we can configure a mysql server that can be used by the Cloudera distribution Hadoop system, and it will create the SCM database in it. Okay, so let me show you that how I have configured my three host machines here in using VM player. In my last tutorial, or you can say that in my part 2 tutorial, I have already suggested you guys to go through that part and do replicate them into 3 VMs. So in this video I'll show you that I have already done that part. So here is it. So I have make like 3 VMs: VM CDH, VM1, VM2 and VM3. So let's get start and start all of these VMs. And VM3. What I have started after 1, 2 and the last one is VM3. So let's log in on those VMs. My first one is 192.168.191.134. Root, and the password is another session 2.168.191.135. Here we are, and it's root. This is Herman. So in my 36 machine I am going to install the MySQL client there. There we are. Okay, so now we have 3 VMs here. Let's just make it like this. Zero machine. So its password is root. So here we are. It's I just forgot to change the hostname of this machine. Hostname CTL set hostname. It should be like a CDH VM03. Okay, let's save it and run this again. 168.191.136. So here we are. So let's first disable the firewall. So let's make sure that these all machines ping each other. 135. I'm getting ping from here on in 68.34 and ping 36. All of the machines are seems to be working fine. So let's get started here, and what I'm going to do in this tutorial, I'm going to install a MySQL client on my VM3 machine, and try to access the MySQL from VM01 and VM02. Okay, so let's by not wasting time, let's get started. First you need to install yum. Install wget because it doesn't come by default here, because we are running the CentOS minimal version. So here we have just downloaded the wget package, and now I need to download this repo. First I will suggest you to create a download folder here, and just type so it's downloaded, the RPM is downloaded, so I need to run that RPM this line. We'll make it a big window here. Now I'll type yum install mysql-server. I'm going the downloading of the file has been started. So mysql-community version is installed. So I have just written it down, some of the basic commands for check that whether the MySQL is up and running, how to stop MySQL, how to restart it, and how to check the status of the MySQL running. So by default the password of root MySQL root user is empty, so we just need to configure the MySQL password there. So for this I need to run this command. So first check that is it MySQL is running. Nope, it's not running. So let's just start it. So MySQL successfully started here, and just type this command. It will ask you that enter current root password. Though currently there is no root password, you can just press enter. So now it will ask you to set a root password. Yes, the new password will be like, I think you can choose it. I am making a 1 2 3 4 5. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root remote login remotely. Okay, I'll just type no, and yes. So MySQL is ready. So just try to log in it on the MySQL. It's like mysql -u root dash p 2345. So see, here we are. The MySQL is successfully installed on this VM. So I'll just type show databases. We have the database here. So I need to enable the remote login for root user in MySQL. So for this we need to add a wildcard in our MySQL users table for root user. So see that there is no wildcard, that this MySQL can only be accessible from its root, the hostname and the localhost application. To enable the MySQL root login, we need to just run this query. The percentage sign is a wildcard. It allows the root user to be logged in from any IP address or any host or any client. So I'm just typing there and it's done. Now I have to do flush privileges. So select, if I do this one, see there is an entry here. So now let's try to log in it from VM01, because VM01 will going to be in the future videos or in future tutorial I'll make VM01 as the primary node for the CDH environment. So let's try this. So 192.168.191.136 root-p. Oh, it says mysql command not found. So for this we need to install mysql client on this VM. So just type yum install mysql. So this is it will install the mysql client in our local machine, mysql client on the VM. So for this you guys need to run this command on all VMs. It will be great. Let's also do this in VM2. And also in this, but well, the MySQL client is also installed here. Just type. It's installing on both VMs. Seems like the installation is done on VM01. So let's try to log in this system. See, it says enter password. Yeah, see, successfully I have logged in into the 136 machine from 134 machine. So show tables, show databases. See, it's now working fine. You can just now exit it. And so for today, the tutorial for today's we have completed the part 3 of the CDH tutorial. So I'll in the next upcoming videos in the part 4 video I am going to install or extract the Cloudera the Cloudera downloadable files that I have requested you guys to download in a part 1 video. I will also add those downloadable links in my description. So just before starting the part 4, I recommend you guys to just download those downloadable files also. So thanks a lot, and do watch my channel and like my videos, and do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.